Over the years, our community has built a lot of really cool and impressive marching band and color guard props. In this video, we're going to be highlighting a few of them. Specifically, we're going to be highlighting props that showcase different techniques or design elements or hacks that make it easy to put together and tear down props really quickly. And EMT conduit and maker pipe connectors, if you're unfamiliar, are great materials for marching band props because they're easy to work with. You just need handheld tools to cut conduit and to assemble connectors, and you can build all kinds of really custom things, as we've seen. With that said, we're going to jump in with this first build that comes from Steve. These are actually a bunch of backdrops, as you can see here, and essentially they made these kind of rolling platforms that are, just a bunch of rectangular bases with casters attached to them. And, a lot of people ask us for different ways to attach casters to their frames because, if you're rolling out these things onto a field, you want to make sure that, they're going to hold up well and they're going to be able to roll across the turf because the last thing you want is, the wheels getting caught or falling off. And so something they did is actually create these kind of triangular, pieces here with pieces of wood, and then they bolted the flat plate casters to that, and then they secured those triangular pieces to the EMT conduit frame with electrical 2-hole straps, which are just a really simple accessory that work really well for securing things. And so they actually did that in the corners, which I thought was really impressive and cool. And then we can see here the rest of the frame, they actually used a maker pipe accessory that we call the quick clamp, and that allows you to essentially replace the hardware of the connector with this. It's actually a bicycle seat post that fits the connector, and we get it custom made to fit and replace the hardware. But essentially, if you notice there, it looks like a clamp that you'll see on a bike seat post, but allows you to essentially replace that hardware, and you can quickly open and close the connector to release the conduit. And they said they're using a bunch of these throughout the frame in order to make it easy to quickly put these together and then take them apart as they haul them to different places and as they store them, which is a really simple thing that you can do in your builds. You just replace that hardware on the connectors with those, and then you can easily open and close those to make those quick release connections. So that's really awesome and a really cool build, and some great looking props from Steve. Thanks so much for sharing them. Next up are some marching band shields that Patrick shared. These are really impressive. These are basically giant circles made entirely out of EMT conduit. We can see here a few different, banners secured to them. And then you've got the EMT conduit frame, as we can see here in these different photos. And they basically just made two large radius kind of arches. And I imagine that they used, there's somebody with the trophy. That's really cool. But I imagine that they used our tutorial and our calculator for making large radius bends. If you haven't seen that, I'll link it down below. You can also get a tubing roller or something specific to, making large arches. And if you're doing a bunch of them and you need them to be exact, it could be a good way to do that. But the DIY method with a handheld tubing bender can also be done, and you just need some patience and some practice. But you can make some really cool things, as we can see here. But specifically, we'll notice here, if you look, that he is using the maker pipe coupling. Now, this is just a standard connector that we manufacture and sell, just like the rest of our connectors, and it's made so you can join two pieces of conduit, and you can kind of do an end-to-end connection and join two pieces kind of in line. And instead of, trying to get this radius, this full circle perfect, and actually you probably wouldn't even be able to because they look to be so big that you wouldn't be able to use just a standard 10-foot stick of conduit, which is what you'll find readily available in hardware and home improvement stores. Instead of trying to find something longer, if you even can, or trying to get the arch to be perfect, he actually is just separating these halves with the maker pipe coupling. So as you can see there, this arch is split in half and maybe even in multiple segments. Using that calculator that I mentioned, you can figure out those dimensions and things, but just split into multiple segments and then join back together with the coupling. And then it's just a single bolt that you assemble with a 5mm hex wrench. So you can quickly put together these on the fly, and you can break them down for storage really easily and kind of nest them together if you wanted to. And so that's something I wanted to mention if you're building marching band props, is to just take advantage of couplings where you can use that for flat packing builds or kind of making them easier to take apart, making them smaller so you can put them together quickly and also store them and haul them to different places really easily as well. And then if you combine that with the first thing that we looked at, which was the quick clamps, you can really get going and get some quick solutions for putting together props and things. So really cool. And something else cool I noticed with these frames is the fact that they're using connectors, and it looks like they drilled holes through the conduit and through the connectors to add these pins through, which is really creative. And you can make a really quick release connection that way as well. We've also highlighted something similar in the past this kind of reminds me of, which is using tent pole clips to create sort of a telescoping solution. We've actually seen people that have made quick release connectors that way as well, where they kind of sleeve a smaller piece of conduit inside a larger one and then use those tent pole clips to clip in there and kind of create a quick release connection. So that's really cool. A lot of great ideas in this one. Really appreciate you sharing it. Next up are some builds that Ken shared, and these are not marching band props, but they do highlight how easy it is to make marching band props and how quickly you can put them together. Essentially, they were doing a competition where they had to build their set in under 10 minutes. And they chose EMT conduit and maker pipe connectors because they combine to make custom props really easy. And essentially here, they built all of these props together in under 10 minutes and set them up with the backdrops, with the fabric and different things in place. And they actually have a video they shared of this happening that I'll link down below that you can check out. But I wanted to show this, even though it's not marching band props, because I think it just highlights how quickly you can build even large structures or multiple props really quickly, if you've got a setup for a competition or a show. And they actually use some of the quick clamps, but mostly just used a lot of the standard maker pipe connectors, as we can see here throughout this frame in various places. And then, using just the standard hardware with the 5mm hex wrench that comes with it, and basically just built these frames really easily. And because they're so easy to take apart, and some other builds that we're going to look at here in a second, you can kind of take advantage and make sure to design the frame in a way that makes it easy to take these apart. So for example, these 45-degree braces, you can just loosen that bolt, and then the conduit will come out of the bottom first instead of this top piece. So you can leave those connectors attached to that vertical post in position and then quickly add those braces in. You know where they need to go because the connector is already mounted there, and then just a couple of turns of the hex wrench to tighten that up, and then you're good to go. And you can do that same thing with pretty much any of the end, or what we call the terminating connections, where the tube just goes in and kind of stops in the connector. You can take advantage of that kind of design element throughout your frame and then make it really easy to put together structures. We've done this for our trade show booth in the past where we've just taken it down and had it bundled up with plastic and then taken it to a show and then built it in a matter of just minutes really. And it's really easy to do just if you utilize the features of the connectors and the design of the features and kind of think through where the pipes are going to go and just kind of leaving those connectors in place on the tubes. You can make that really easy on yourself whenever you're putting these together. So I just definitely wanted to highlight those and kind of highlight that technique and just show you that you can make really custom things really quickly with conduit and connectors. So that's really cool. Thanks so much for sharing this. Next up are some A-frames that were put together by Jake, and these are really cool. And these are meant to be kind of a recreation or a DIY version of some prefabbed A-frames that he was looking at that were kind of expensive. This is just kind of a continuation of what I was just talking about, where if you utilize the design of the connectors, you can make frames really easy to put together, where essentially they just made this kind of triangular A-frame design and essentially just use the maker pipe T connectors. We can't see a close-up, but it's basically maker pipe T connectors just side by side to create this kind of triangle peak up here. And then you can take these two pieces of conduit out that are making up the triangle, and then essentially you've pretty much broken down this whole frame. You just have the two-dimensional rectangle with the wheels on the bottom, and then you have the tubes that make up the triangle. But you can quickly take all of those apart and then move them into storage or into the vehicle for hauling them to the next show or the competition. And so just wanted to kind of continue that idea and design and show you that you can make all kinds of custom frames. And if you just utilize the design of the connectors and think through the design a little bit more, then you can get some really easy to put together frames and make it fast and easy. So that's something I wanted to highlight. Really awesome builds from Jake. Last but not least are these castle props that Teresa shared, and these are really cool. And you can see here that they are basically a rectangular cube sitting on top of a flat cart. Pretty similar design that we see commonly with marching band props, as we've seen from a few builds here. But essentially, they are using the 90-degree connectors in the corners to add these vertical posts that extend up, and then these vertical posts are what support the foam castle props that they've attached to the frame. And what's really cool about this that I wanted to highlight is the fact that they have made it so these panels can come off really easily, kind of what we've been talking about with a couple of builds so far, where essentially just because these T connectors down here, you can loosen that hex bolt there in that corner and then loosen the hex bolt over here in this corner. And essentially by doing that, you can take off this whole rectangular frame that these foam boards are attached to, and then you can lift off this whole panel. And so you could leave that attached. It's providing support to the props whenever they're not attached to the cart, but then you can flat pack and kind of easily haul these to different places. As we can see here, there they are doing their routine with the band props in the background, which is fantastic. And I think something else that's really cool too is kind of using foam with the conduit and connectors to achieve the really cool props and the backdrop. I know the band directors and things that we've talked to in the past and the builds that we've seen from the community, they're always really creative and using materials in a really clever and creative way to achieve the props that they need. We can see here they're using some bungee cables to kind of add some tension to the frame. And speaking of tensioning, I actually wanted to mention something else to you guys. This is another build that isn't a marching band prop, but I think it has a really useful technique that I think that marching band directors or parents or really anybody that's building these props will find useful. And we've been talking a lot about using paracord or steel cables and different things for tensioning builds and using that for reinforcement. And recently we had a customer who built these signs, and they utilize some of the techniques we've been talking about, and they use paracord to brace this really large sign structure that they made for a golf event they were doing. And this is really fantastic, and I'm glad to see someone testing out that idea that we've been talking about lately. And I think this is really useful for marching band props as well, because, you know, if you didn't use these braces, you'd have to use conduit and connectors to make them, but making them out of paracord, as we see here and as we've been talking about, is really fast and easy. And you know, we've been talking about different tensioning devices, we've talked about knots, a lot of different things that I'll link down below that you can check out that you might find useful. But I definitely wanted to mention that because I think this is a really easy way to get really strong frames out of EMT conduit and connectors, and you know, get the reinforcement that you need from these larger props. So that's really cool. Really appreciate Teresa sharing those castle props, and thanks to Steve for sending these in. And thanks to everybody for posting these builds and sharing them with us. They'll all be linked down below if you want to check them out in more detail. Really appreciate it. And if you're a volunteer or a parent or a band director, maybe even a student putting together these custom frames, I think EMT conduit and maker pipe connectors are great materials to consider using because they're really easy to use and build with no matter your DIY skill level. So definitely check those out and check out the links in the description if you're interested. And of course, if you have any questions, feel free to leave those down below or reach out to us. Really appreciate it. We'll see you in the next video.